Hello everyone, welcome to this short and spicy flow. Today we're going to be working into our core as well as the mobility of our spine. We're going to start seated today with a little bit of breath work. So come meet me in a comfortable seat, placing one hand onto the heart, one hand onto the belly, and just give yourself a moment to settle here. So if you need to fidget and all that stuff, allow it. And then maybe resting your gaze onto something on the floor or close your eyes. Start to watch the natural ebb and flow of your breath. Just notice how you feel at this point in your day. Before we get into any sort of movement, just take a moment to thank yourself for choosing this class today and carving out the time. Okay, now start to deepen your breath. So as you inhale, see if you can breathe into your bottom ham first and then into the chest. And as you exhale, reverse that, dropping the chest. Slightly pulling the navel to the spine. Inhale to inflate belly and then chest. Exhale, deflate chest, empty belly. In your own time. Lovely. On your next exhalation, whenever it arrives, blink your eyes open, release your hands. We're going to find a little bit of a flow here. So as you exhale, we're going to bring our hands forwards into a fold. Good. And then as you inhale, bring your hands back, plant your feet, lifting the hips. As you exhale, drop your hips, cross your feet the opposite way and fold. We're going to flow through this. So find your own limits here. If you can't quite get into the full fold, that's okay. If you don't feel quite like coming into full tabletop, that's okay. But as you flow through this, don't forget to change the cross of your legs each time. Okay, next time you come down from your reverse tabletop, you're going to drop those sitting bones, keep the feet where they are, and then reach the hands forwards. Lovely. Meet me here. Take a breath. As you exhale, we're going to curl halfway. As you inhale, we're going to lift up. Exhale, curl halfway. Nice. Take that in your own time. Imagine you're holding a ball in between your knees. So try not to let those knees go all over. As you come down, look towards your belly button. It will help keep your neck in a nice position. Okay, good. Next time you come up, we're going to lift the right leg. And we're going to do the same thing. So breathe in, exhale. Inhale, lift, and lower. Use your breath. Let the wobbles happen. The trembles. Good. Next time you come up, drop the foot, switch. Really works into your hip flexors as well. So as you exhale, coming back. Good. Next time you come up, plant that foot. Just make sure you've got enough mat behind you. We're going to roll all the way down from here. So breathe in. Exhale slowly, slowly. Lowering all the way down. Straighten out your legs. Take your arms overhead. Backs of the hands to the mat. Just take a moment to breathe here. Lovely. From here, we're going to bring our left hand next to our left hip, palm facing down. Okay, breathe in. As you exhale, point your left big toe and your right hand is going to reach for those toes and lower. Good. See if we can do 5 of those. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lovely. And switch. So your right hand comes down, left arm up, breath. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice one. Good. Stretch both arms overhead. Take a nice long stretch. And then gather the knees into the chest. Give yourself a squeeze. We're going to find a gentle rock up and down the length of the spine a couple of times. And then see if you can rock and roll all the way into a forward fold. So plant your feet. Send your head down. Come into a fold. Let your head go. Take any little movements that feel good here. Good. Soften through the knees and then slowly roll up through the spine. As you inhale, take a nice big stretch up overhead. Exhale, hands down and onto our hips. Pour the weight into your left foot. Pick up your right knee. And we're going to make some big circles with that right knee. Big and intentional. Lovely. Good. From here, we're going to step that right foot all the way back, drop the back knee, and then find 2 90-degree angles with the legs. So we're not super slumped forwards here, we're quite upright. Interlace the fingers behind your head, take a breath in. As you exhale, your left elbow is going to tap the inside of the front knee. Good. Coming up. Exhale, reverse. So your right elbow, see if you can tap it on the outside of that knee. Good. And up. And switch. So this is good for our spine mobility. Good. Next time you come up through center, we're going to plant our hands down. Tuck the back toes, lift that back knee. We're going to send our left leg all the way back and up into 3-legged dog. Good. See if you can press the floor away. Reach that left foot up high. And then we're going to cross the left leg over the right. It's got that leg cross. Spin your toes to the left. And then reach your left hand up so we're in a side plank. Good. Breathe in. Exhale, bringing that left hand down. Spin back onto your toes. Keep the legs crossed. Breathe in. As you exhale, lower down halfway. Good. And then lower all the way down. Uncross your feet, untuck them, and then lift the chest. Good. Exhale, lower. Coming back through bent knees into downward facing dog. Good. Inhale, bend the knees, look forwards. Exhale, step or jump to the top. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, use your breath. Exhale, hands onto our hips. Pour the weight into the right foot this time. Pick up the left knee. Big circles. Lovely, good. And then sending that leg all the way back. Drop the left knee, untuck the toe. Just make sure we're nice and upright. Interlace the fingers behind the head. Breathe in. Exhale, right elbow to the inside of the right leg. Inhale up. Exhale, twist. Good. As you inhale and come up next, you're going to release your hands down, tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, send that right leg all the way back and up into three-legged dog. Push the floor away. Good. With control, bring your right leg all the way over your left. Spin your toes over to the left this time. Sorry, to the right this time. And then your right hand's going to reach up into side plank. Good. Slowly bring that top hand down. Spin back up into your one-footed plank. Legs are still crossed at this point. Breathe. Exhale, lower halfway. And then lower all the way down. Uncross your legs. Come onto the tops of your feet. Inhale, lifting any amount that feels good. Exhale, lower. Now we're going to come back to child's pose. So big toes together, resting back into child's pose. Good. Walking your hands back towards you. Let's come to a kneeling position. And then come up onto your knees. Hands onto the lower back, fingers pointing down. Squeeze your elbows together. Lift the chest. As you exhale, come into your camel. So reaching the chest up. Keep supporting the lower back. Good. And then slowly, slowly support yourself all the way back. Sitting back onto your heels. Just take a moment here. And then we're going to take a little side to side sweep. So one hand behind, other hand maybe touches, and then opposite side. So just a gentle twist side to side. Good. And then coming back through center, hands onto the knees or the thighs. Tuck your tailbone under, chin to chest. Good. As you inhale, sit tall. Rest your hands into your lap. Maybe the palms are facing up just to release some heat. Close your eyes. Take a breath in for 1, 2, 3 and hold. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3 and hold. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3 and hold. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Just let the breath flow naturally. Notice how you feel now. And when you're ready, blink the eyes open and welcome yourself back into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for choosing this short and spicy one. I'll see you on the next class very soon.